Here's how to fix NVIDIA Control Panel display settings missing. First, open the Start menu, search for Services, and open it. Scroll down until you find the NVIDIA services. You should see 3 NVIDIA services listed. Open the first one by double-clicking it, set the startup type to automatic, make sure the service status is running, and if it isn't, click Start. Then click Apply and OK. Repeat the same process for the other 2 NVIDIA services. Set each startup type to automatic, make sure each service is running, then click Apply and OK. After that, right-click each of the 3 NVIDIA services one by one and select Restart. Once you've restarted all of them, close the Services window. Next, open the Start menu again, search for Device Manager, and launch it. Expand Display Adapters, then locate your NVIDIA graphics card. Right-click the NVIDIA graphics card and make sure it isn't disabled by selecting Enable Device. If you only see Disable Device, that means the graphics card is already enabled, so you can leave it as it is. Now open the NVIDIA Control Panel again and check whether the missing settings have returned. If the problem continues and you're using a desktop PC, make sure your monitor cable is connected directly to the NVIDIA graphics card instead of the motherboard. And if you're using a laptop, right-click anywhere on the desktop, select Show More Options, then open NVIDIA Control Panel. In the left panel, click Manage 3D Settings and make sure High Performance NVIDIA Processor is selected. If your system includes a Manage Display Mode option, set it to NVIDIA GPU only. This option isn't available on every computer, but if you see it, make sure it's selected. Finally, click Apply, restart your computer, and the missing NVIDIA display settings should now be restored. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.